This is 5 Minutes of Political Common Sense for America. I'm Brian Boeheim, the political engineer. And today I want to talk about the Supreme Court's decision on the Westboro Baptist Church of Topeka. Have you ever been to a hockey game where the referees ignore cheap shots in the first period? What happens? By the third period, the players, realizing that the referees aren't in control, start to take control themselves through violence. This is what is happening with parts of our interpretation of the Constitution. The Supreme Court and our executive branch are refusing to realize that there are many solutions to the conflicts today, but they're not doing anything about it. Instead, they refuse to blow their whistle and provide order to what is becoming chaos. On March 2nd, the Supreme Court upheld the Federal Appeals Court's overturning of the judgment for Mr. Snyder against the Westboro Baptist Church of Topeka. Now, for clarity, Mr. Snyder was burying his son, a soldier who was killed in action. And the Westboro Baptist Church decided to use that event as a platform to protest, in particular, protest gays in the military. The vote was 8-1, saying that the First Amendment protects such vile and hateful protests. Now, Justice Samuel Alito, the lone dissenter, said Snyder wanted only to bury his son in peace. Instead, Alito said the protesters brutally attacked Matthew Snyder to attract public attention. He said, "Our profound national commitment to free and open debate is not a license for the vicious verbal assault that occurred in this case." In my opinion, the Supreme Court has lost their perspective. How on earth can this decision make any sense? I'm an ardent supporter of the Constitution, and especially the First Amendment. But how does it apply to a specific attack on a dead soldier and his family? Where is the logical opposite? There could be many levels of refinement, but no, it has to be all or nothing. Why? Under this ruling, realize policy has been set that there is no problem with the KKK being 1,000 feet away from the next black leader's funeral spouting hate speech. How do you think that's going to turn out? This kind of impractical ruling does more damage to the First Amendment than it does protect it, because it makes it an unrealistic, socially unacceptable law to follow. I truly hope, that the referees in this case get their heads in the game before something tragic happens in the third period. You've been listening to 5 Minutes of Political Common Sense for America. I'm Brian Boeheim, the political engineer. If you like what you've heard here, pick up a copy of my book, Political Common Sense for America. You can find it at Amazon.com. Until next time, be safe out there.